What's going on, guys? Car Guy V8 here with another video. And many of y'all might remember my old Squarebody, this 1979 GMC Sierra. Ooh, I kind of miss this truck when I go to walking around it. It's pretty cool. Well, the budget 502 big block swap is complete. So I'm going to pop this hood and show y'all this nasty 502. Here she is. This is the HT 502. And based on my research, it makes around 400 horsepower and a touch over 500 foot-pounds of torque. And this one, as far as we can tell, is stock, but it does sound like its cam is a little bigger than what it should be. So it might have one, but we have yet to determine that. So for now, I'm just gonna say it's stock. It's a really cool old engine in an old truck. Right now, it's got open headers. That can't be the stock cam, Clay. I think that's got to have a little cam in it.
That'd be great. Still haven't hooked up my power steering. I gotta get a different link belt for my power steering.
Say that again.
I gotta get different. Close the hood all the way.
I did. It should be.
I gotta get a little different link belt for my power steering.
Man, this old heavy half suspension, man, it's a tank.
Oh man, it's sturdy. I mean, it's just right. Turbo 400, big block. Got the 12 volt rear end. I mean, everything's pretty heavy duty on that truck.
That sucker is pretty torquey.
Does it feel pretty torquey?
Yeah, it does to me.
Isn't that the truth? Little cam working in them.
Yeah.
Usually willing to bet this thing's got a cam in it, huh?
I would. Huh. That took me by surprise right there. That was pretty stout.
That was pretty good.
Straight back in the seat.